Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A13, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should select the application, hold it and drag it, for example, to this application, and by this way we can add the folder to our device home screen. Just to add here more applications, just invite a couple of apps, you can click here on this plus and just to select all of these apps that you want to add, for example the 5 more applications. Then just click here to done. You can see that we just selected 5 from 32. Just tap to done, and as can you see, we just successfully add more apps to our device home screen folder. We can also give a name here to this folder. Just enter, for example, the apps. Click to done to save the changes. We can also move this folder here on the screen by this way, or just between the screens, or just we can create also the new screens with this folder by this way. And just to remove some applications from here, hold for a while the app and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. If you don't want to stay with this app on the home screen, hold for a while and click the remove icon, but don't worry, you will remove this application only from the folder, but you will stay with this app in the apps menu. And also we can just select a couple of apps and create new folder by the same way, as can see, or also we can select a couple of apps and just to remove them from this folder, and as can you see, we just remove our folder from the home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.